Yo, what is good, traders? I hope you all have had a great trading day. Um, for me, it's been pretty boring. I didn't actually take the entry that I was going to take for a New York session. I felt the market was a very choppy range. There wasn't much for me to really go off. I did feel that we was going to clear the 80 level, which we kind of tagged into, and then pull back and then take out these Asian lows, which we did. My whole reasoning for the video was I didn't feel that we was going to clear 65 area today, 64 area today, which we didn't. And yeah, the reasoning for that was gold has had a strong historical presence around the 65 area. It's been a key level for gold, and I feel like it wasn't likely. There was a high probability that we was going to see gold hold above this level. So now we've held above this level. I'm still bullish on gold, and if we was to clear 64, and if we was to see a close below, I would have, in fact, said like, yeah, okay, we're more likely to be seeing some downside momentum. Bears have actually taken control, but no, it seems to be sideways again. And I feel like gold has, for the past 2 days, it's quite clear that we have been in a range of market structure. Now, for me, I don't like trading rangy markets. I feel these type of market environments are very dull. They're very boring. Taking trades within these areas, it's doable, but it's very scalpy. I don't really like doing it. I prefer taking moves in areas of interests where we're going to get those big swings to the upsides or them swings to the downsides. I don't really like taking these scalpy type of plays, but you know what? I'm not saying I'm against them. I would definitely take the trade if it fits into my trading plan. However, if it doesn't, I'm most likely not going to take it, especially where I'm on the evaluation and accelerated accounts. It's just I have to be really systematic with my trading plans just because of the drawdown limitations on those accounts. So just being smart, just being patient, and just really having disciplined trading. So that's what I like to do, and that's why I didn't really take the trade, which which I said I was kind of looking at earlier. Now, that being said, yeah, gold's still in this range, and I don't really feel that I'm still bullish on gold. So I still feel there is room to see 2K shiny metal, and I'm still a believer of 2K. However, today did show that there was a lot of bearish momentum coming into the market. With that being said, if 64 does breach and we do see Asian session push low, then I would maybe look for opportunities to take shorts and ride it down to potential 50s levels. If we go up to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that there has been, in fact, a lot of doji candles formed within this type of box I've got marked up here. Now, again, this area kind of shows that gold is slowing down. End of the day, it makes sense. Gold's getting sleepy. We've probably made a move of what I do it from. Actually, I do it from here, and then I do it from the break. So, so this week we've had $37. The overall move from the initial swing low. Actually, I did it from the actual swing low, $65. So again, we've had like $40 of upside this week, around about $67 for the overall push from these 19 to these 20 levels. So gold's probably most likely getting sleepy. It probably wants a nice little retracement before continuing any higher. And like I said, it's Friday tomorrow. Well, I didn't say, but yeah, it is Friday tomorrow. And as most of you know, end of the week, market does get quite tired, volume does dry up. So we're most likely going to be seeing targets. Well, maybe not, but potentially see targets next week. We will have to see, depending what happens within this type of structural area. I'll most likely be sitting on the sidelines and waiting for this area to clear, or I will be waiting to opportunities to present itself and see cleaner structure for me to go ahead and take entries into. Now, if I do take longs, I do say that I am going to be targeting this 88 level as TP1, just simply because, again, it's a historical price action level where we have a strong area of interest. There's going to be a lot of people looking at this area just because of the reaction we have had from it. And then the reversal, or the potential reversal area, the area of confluence would be probably 203, or 2003, which again is an area where we have had some reactions from in the past. So these are two significant areas which I will be targeting next week if we actually do get gold breaking past this 80 level, which has been quite a struggle for these past 2 days. But gold's been really, really boring. I've actually, like I said, I caught the little scalpy move in London. I stayed on the sideline in New York. But yeah, I did actually catch another trade, which I'll go over now quickly. I caught a little AUDCHF on my evaluation. Now, let's click on the 1 hour. Actually, I got on the 4 hour. So, what I was kind of envisioning was we saw this key level. Market broke above this key level. Moving averages started to show some signs of crossing over to the upside. Even though they are lagging, I do like to see price coming above the moving average, coming above that point. Just demonstrates that there is more buyers who are buying price above rather than below. So again, this was really nice. I felt that there was a structural change shift from a kind of break and a retest within the market structure, as well as seeing a nice hold of this trend line. Now, I did get a decent fill. Yeah, I got in 2.3s, or 0.33s, and 1.11, pretty much snipers. So, yeah, pretty good entry points here. I did take another one, but I closed it just because I was managing risks. I was trying to be smart. So, yeah, I'm probably going to be holding this on my evaluation for the rest of the week. Not rest of the week, well, into Friday, and hold it overnight and see. We did get a good daily close, or about to get a good daily close, which is a really good sign. Again, this was probably a level which I really wanted to clear. We didn't, so hopefully we can get a clear tomorrow and push up towards this level, which I was targeting as a potential TP1, and then I would just most likely trial stops. So yeah, considering we missed gold, at least we made up for this little trade, and hopefully we can see some nice movement for this Asian session. But that is all for today. Hopefully you've all had a better day than me, and yeah, I will catch you in the next one, and have a good night all, and see you later. Thanks.